In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or edit tag colors in ClickUp Calendar. If you want your calendar view to be easier to scan at a glance, showing tags can be a really helpful option. Tags add extra visual context to your tasks, and changing their colors can make them stand out more clearly. It's also important to know that in ClickUp, tag colors apply to the tag itself, not to the full calendar task card. I'll point that out again at the end so there's no confusion. To get started, open the space, folder or list where you want to work, and then click on the Calendar tab. This will switch you into the calendar view for that location, where you can manage how tasks appear. Once you're in the calendar view, go to the upper right corner and click Customize. This is where ClickUp lets you control different display options for the view. Inside the customization menu, select Fields. The Fields section is where you can choose which task details are visible on each calendar card. From there, turn on Tags. As soon as Tags is enabled, each task's tags will appear directly on its calendar card, making them visible without needing to open the task first. This is useful if you rely on tags to organize work or quickly identify categories. Next, click on a task in the calendar that already contains the tag you want to edit. Opening the task allows you to work directly with the existing tag settings. Inside the task, click the tag itself. This will open the tag options so you can adjust its appearance. Now choose the new tag color you want to use. You can select one of the standard preset colors, or click the plus icon if you want to enter a custom color instead. This gives you a bit more control if you're trying to match a specific color system or keep your workspace visually consistent. Once you've selected the color, you're done. You can simply close the task. The change is saved automatically, and the updated tag color will be applied everywhere the tag appears on tasks within the space. That means you don't need to manually update each task one by one. One final note, ClickUp can display color tags on calendar cards, but it cannot color the entire task card based on a tag. In Calendar View, full task card colors can only be based on list, status, or a drop-down custom field. Thanks for watching.